Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Throughout history, humans have relied on a variety of animals for food, shaping culinary traditions, cultural practices, and economies around the world. Animals we consumed not only provide essential nutrients but also reflect the diverse environments and agricultural practices of different regions. Here are 10 commonly consumed animals that play significant roles in diets across the globe. Animals consumed by human. Number 1 on our list is cattle, beef. Cattle are one of the most widely consumed animals globally, with beef being a staple in many diets. Cattle farming is a major industry, particularly in countries like the United States, Brazil, and Argentina, where beef is a dietary cornerstone. Number 2, pigs or pork. Pork is the most consumed meat in the world, particularly popular in Asia and Europe. Pigs are valued for their versatility, with nearly every part of the animal used in various culinary dishes from bacon to sausages. Number 3, chickens or poultry. Chicken is a universally popular source of protein, known for its affordability and adaptability in numerous cuisines. From fried chicken to roasted, it's a dietary staple in nearly every culture. Number 4, sheep, lamb, mutton. Lamb and mutton, derived from young and older sheep respectively, are particularly popular in the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Europe. These meats are integral to traditional dishes like lamb stew and kebabs. Number 5th one is fish, and it can be various species. Fish consumption is vital in coastal regions, providing a significant portion of the world's dietary protein. Species like salmon, tuna, and cod are among the most commonly consumed, and fishing industries are crucial to many economies. Number 6, goats. Goat meat, known as chivon or cabrito, is widely consumed in parts of Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. It's valued for its leanness and rich flavor, often featured in stews and curries. Number 7, turkeys. Particularly popular in North America. Turkey is most famously associated with Thanksgiving celebrations. However, it is also consumed year round, especially in sandwiches and festive meals. Number 8, ducks. Duck meat is especially popular in China and France, where dishes like Peking duck and a duck au lorraine are celebrated. Duck farming is an important agricultural practice in many parts of Asia. Number 9, rabbits. Rabbit meat, known for being lean and high in protein, is commonly eaten in Europe, particularly in France, Spain, and Italy. Rabbit stew and roasted rabbits are traditional dishes in these regions. Number 10, deer or deer meat is prized for its gamely flavor and is often consumed in North America and Europe. It's a popular choice among hunters and is featured in dishes like venison stew and roast. The animal consumed by humans play a crucial role in shaping our diets, cultures, and economies, from beef and pork to fish and venison. Each animal provides unique nutritional benefits and is central to culinary tradition around the world. As global food practices evolve, these animals will continue to be a significant part of the human diet, reflecting our diverse and interconnected world. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.